Hey yo, everyone! It's Chriso. I'll have to put today on hold. Well anyway, first of all, yeah, my cornice is off, but what I did is I rolled my ankle. I stepped off the bucket, rolled my ankle where the drain is, and I banged my head, which brasses me off. I banged my head, arsed over, banged my head on the corner there of the wall. So I'll have to go home and my wife will she'll look after me for an hour or two. I might just give it a bit of a rest today, and I'll be back tomorrow. But yeah. All right, we'll see ya. Bye.